Excuse me, I did not plant that for you. I didn't plant it for you girls. Y'all need to get down. You need to get down. There, say hi. Say hi, princess. Don't eat the strawberries. So cute. Princess. Ooh, she's getting mad at you. Ooh, she's gonna knock you off this porch. You better go. Are you getting grumpy? Are you grumpy, girl? Ouch. Do you not like the phone? Princess. 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 Stop eating the strawberry. Yes, you. It's not nice. Here, eat the parsley. Nobody likes parsley. Don't eat the rosemary either. Go, go. Here, you want some mint? You want some peppermint? Really? You can't... Not my fingernail polish here. Not... Don't eat that.